like, subscribe, bell, like, subscribe, bell, like, subscribe, bell. And hello everyone, welcome to a new episode on the Rocco Boy channel. Today I have a couple amazing gadgets from Aliexpres and I think Wish. I think one is from Wish and two is from Aliexpres. So something is working, something doesn't. Who cares? It's cheap things, everything is under $5, something like that. I want to tell you something. Please subscribe on my channel. Like this video, click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. Actually, just around 20% of people are actually subscribed on channel, so it will be great that we get around 80%. I'm planning to make this channel really big. I have big plans for Scirocco. I have also plans to get one project car in future. I promise you that you will get amazing content in future. There is a lot of big stuff which I'm preparing for you. So like, subscribe, bell, like, subscribe, bell, like, subscribe, bell. Okay, new things for Scirocco. These rubber pieces goes on mirrors, and at the first it looks cool, and at second, when it's raining, it will protect mirror from water. So let's go install those things. Because this is cheap thing from Aliexpres, I will add a little bit of super glue just on two tiny spots. So because I'm thinking when I'm driving fast, it will definitely fall out of car. So this is a security protection.
I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic.
Now this is how it looks. And now let's do the same thing on another side.
You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em.
Okay, second gadget which I have is actually a cool thing. It's adapter from audio to USB. So because I have multimedia in my car, I actually don't need this, but we will try it. I have USB stick with some music, and we will put this in 3.5mm jack on my car, and then we will install USB stick and check if this thing will work. Okay, now put this thing in out and install my USB. And now, okay, because this multimedia has a USB port, I will try USB alone. This is no copyright songs, so I can use it in video. And when we go next one, Yeah, it's okay, but I have this weird noise background. And when I go, do you hear this? Yeah, but when we use this adapter, actually it doesn't work. Okay, I think this gadget is fail. I will try it maybe with my phone or something like that, but I think this thing doesn't work. And the last thing for today is actually lights for mirrors. As you can see, it's arrows and you install those under the mirror. But for now, because I will change the mirrors, I will not install those right now, but we will test it on power. And when time came, I will make a separate video how to install those things on my car. Now let's check how those works. So I have here power supply 12 volts. Now we will attach one wire here. It's not plugged right now. Now I will plug it. And as you can see, when you turn the signal on, it will work, and it will be something like that. So it's really bright color and it looks amazing. So we will definitely install this when I get new mirrors. Amazing thing. Okay, that will be it for this video. Thank you for watching these amazing Scirocco videos. I have a lot of plans to make a lot of new stuff, to add a lot of new stuff, but I need to collect the money. These things, those things are costing a lot of money, so it's taking time, but I will finish that, don't worry about that. So don't forget to like this video, to subscribe on my channel, to click on this bell so you will always get notification when I upload something new. Till then, see you.